So as you can see right here in my Visual Studio Code, I got the HTML page. So right now I'm learning HTML. CSS, I haven't got to the JavaScript part because I'm just not there yet. So yeah, it's kind of what it looks like in the Visual Studio. I even got a page 2 that I'll show you. And I really went all out. A little bit of vibe coding with AI right here, getting it to make this modern looking button. And if I just show you, boom, you can see I was looking at real estate stuff. Just doxed myself. Okay, there we go. Let's put that there like a true pro. So yeah, it's a learning to code blog, eventually vlog. So I'm gonna try to find a way to put this video right now on this website. Isn't that gonna be amazing? So this is a blog where I document my programming journey. I'll be developing this website and growing it as I learn to code. My goals with this project are to make a respectable website with blog and vlog elements, to learn something new about programming every time I work on it, to create a fully functioning website myself from the front end to back end, and finally to have fun with coding. And as you can see, all this went into this little fancy button here. And then when you click it, it's the gallery, and it's the Bitcoin logo because I like Bitcoin. It made me a lot of money at one point, so I'm forever thankful for the Bitcoin. Yeah. So what all do I want with this? I definitely want to add video elements. First, I need to learn how to get this actually on the web. So I got to learn a little bit about back-end coding and a little bit of context behind this video and why I'm doing this. So I'm planning on going to school for web development in September coming up. And this is almost going to be like my project that I'm going to work on, my website project. Who knows where this can go? Who knows where this will take me? But yeah, I'm excited. And basically what the web development course sort of encapsulates is front end work. So HTML, CSS, Java, and then back end work. And back end work is pretty much learning to upload all the back end stuff, like the server and like getting the website actually on the internet. And then the front end is more just creating the static web page or the non-static web page and just making it look nice. And the back end's actually getting it up there. And the reason I picked this course is because I feel like it's going to be one of those things that's really, well, it already is highly in demand, but I can just see it becoming more and more in demand. And you might say, oh, but Austin, AI is learning to program. But it's like, who's programming the AI? It's like somebody has to know how to program. Somebody has to know what to look for, what to tell the AI to do, and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so like, what did I do here? Just like broke it down, got the language English, got the head. So the linking to the style sheet, so that's linking to this thing right here. So that I don't have to do the styling in HTML, which makes it more organized. The title of the website, the learning to code blog, and then the actual, this will be like the heading right there. And then this is the button that leads to the second page right there. Then the body is pretty self-explanatory. So I think, did I do something for the P? Yeah, I just made the color black and then made the text Courier. So the neat thing about CSS is, so like right here I have heading 1 and then it's all these variables. So every time I do a heading 1, if I can move this thing, there's something in the way here. Yikes. So I'll just save that. Then if I refresh it, see it's in the middle, right? But if I don't, like if I turn this into a comment somehow, how do I turn it into a comment? Frig, I don't know how to make comments yet. But anyways, if I didn't have this, then it would just be like a default text. There wouldn't be all the stylistic elements to it. So I'm going to take that out. And same thing with with everything else, CSS kind of just stylizes it and makes it easier to do. And then I'll just refresh that. Boom. So this is like phase one of this blog website right here. Yeah, page 2, not too much, just the heading. Yeah, gallery, and then the button to lead back to the main HTML page, and then the Bitcoin images, the Bitcoin image. So I don't know if you believe me, but I actually have had experience before making a website, albeit not the greatest, not the cleanest. I have gotten a website on the internet years ago. Years ago, I got it on the internet. Designed it myself, all that fun stuff, all that good stuff. And yeah, so this is like the coming back, the return, if you will. Kind of what inspired this was I'm working at a job right now, and they had me work on their website. And as I was working on their website, it kind of reminded me that like, oh, I did computer programming. I did like computer science in high school, and I built websites, and I really liked it, and I had a passion for it. And I'm like, well, hey, I'm young. I got some skills to learn. Why not go to school to learn a skill that I really like? And that's kind of where that idea came from. And to actually delve into this a little bit deeper and put some time and effort into developing a good, respectable skill. But yeah, I think this is it. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it entertaining. That's kind of what's been new in my life, kind of what's been popping. Do take care, guys, and until next time.